Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of corn and explore its origins, curiosities, and most importantly, the numerous health benefits this amazing cereal has to offer. Join us as we discover why corn is so much more than just a staple in our diet. Let's go. Corn is a cereal plant and one of the most important crops worldwide. It is scientifically known as zea mays and belongs to the grass family. Corn is characterized by having an ear in which are the grains or seeds, which are commonly called corn kernels. These grains are used for human and animal food, as well as for the production of a wide range of products, such as corn flour, corn oil, corn syrup, bioplastics, and biofuels. The origin of corn is located in the regions of Mesoamerica, specifically in what are now Mexico and Central America. It is estimated that corn was domesticated by ancient Mesoamerican civilizations approximately 10,000 years ago from a wild plant called teosinte. Through a long process of artificial selection, these civilizations managed to transform teosinte into a corn plant with agronomic and nutritional characteristics more suitable for human consumption. Corn played a pivotal role in the food and culture of ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, such as the Mayans and Aztecs. Over time, the corn plant spread to other parts of the American continent and later to the rest of the world, becoming one of the main crops globally. Today, corn is grown in various regions of the world, both in tropical and temperate climates, and its production is especially relevant in countries such as the United States, Brazil, China, Mexico, and Argentina, among others. Corn is a plant with amazing genetic diversity. Thousands of different varieties of maize have been identified around the world. These varieties can vary in size, color, shape, and flavor of the beans, as well as in the appearance of the plant itself. Some varieties of corn are especially suitable for certain climates or specific uses, such as flour production, popcorn making, or even as an ornament in gardening. One of the most striking features of this diversity is purple corn or blue corn, which contains natural pigments called anthocyanins. These pigments are responsible for the purple or dark blue color of corn. In addition to their visual appeal, these corn varieties are valued for their antioxidant content and nutritional benefits. Farmers and scientists are constantly working to conserve and harness maize's rich genetic diversity to adapt it to new challenges, such as climate change and specific demands from the food industry. The conservation of these varieties is important to ensure food security and crop resilience in the future. Corn, that versatile and widely consumed cereal, offers several health benefits that make it a valuable food in our diet. Beyond its delicious taste, corn is a rich source of nutrients and bioactive compounds that can have a positive impact on our well-being. From its energy and fiber intake to its antioxidants and vitamins, corn gives us a variety of nutritional advantages. On this occasion, we will explore in detail the health benefits that corn can provide, as well as the reasons to consider it as a smart choice in our daily diet. Energy source: corn is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which provide energy to the body. Carbohydrates are necessary for the proper functioning of the brain, muscles, and other organs. Dietary fiber: corn contains dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining digestive health. Fiber helps prevent constipation, promotes bowel regularity, and may contribute to the reduction of blood cholesterol. Antioxidants: some varieties of corn, such as purple corn, contain antioxidants such as anthocyanins and beta-carotene. These compounds can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain cancers. Vitamins and minerals: corn is a good source of various vitamins and minerals essential for the body. It contains vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin E, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, among others. These nutrients play important roles in immune system health, cell function, bone and muscle health, and metabolism. Phytochemicals: corn contains various phytochemical compounds, such as carotenoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These substances can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall health. Cardiovascular health. Consuming corn, especially whole corn, can help maintain cardiovascular health. Corn contains fiber, phytosterols, and antioxidant compounds that can help lower blood levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, which is beneficial for heart health. Weight management. The fiber present in corn helps provide feelings of fullness and control appetite. In addition, the complex carbohydrates present in corn are digested more slowly, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents glucose spikes that can contribute to weight gain. Eye health. Corn contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants found in the retina of the eye that are important for eye health. These compounds can help protect the eyes from free radical damage and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases, such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Gut health. The fiber present in corn can promote a healthy environment in the gut, encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria and improving digestive function. This can help maintain a balanced gut microbiota and contribute to the overall health of the digestive system. Energy and athletic performance. Due to its carbohydrate content, corn is an important energy source for athletes and active people. Carbohydrates provide fuel to muscles and help maintain good physical performance during exercise. Promotes nervous system health. Corn contains vitamin B1, thiamine, and vitamin B3, niacin, which are essential nutrients for the proper functioning of the nervous system. These vitamins play an important role in energy production and maintaining the health of nerves and the brain. Immune system support. Corn contains vitamin C and other antioxidants that can strengthen the immune system and help fight infection and disease. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, a key protein in the health of skin, tissues, and the immune system. Bone health benefits. Corn contains minerals such as phosphorus and magnesium, which are important for bone health. Phosphorus is essential for the formation and maintenance of strong bones and teeth, while magnesium plays a role in calcium absorption and bone tissue formation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some compounds present in corn, such as omega-3 fatty acids and flavonoids, have shown anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body and may be beneficial in preventing chronic inflammatory diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis. Skin benefits. Corn contains antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which can help protect the skin against damage caused by free radicals and the sun's ultraviolet rays. In addition, corn germ oil is often used in skincare products due to its moisturizing and softening properties. It is important to note that the way corn is prepared can affect its nutritional properties. Fresh corn, cooked or steamed, retains its nutrients better than processed or fried forms. When it comes to improving health through diet, corn is a versatile and nutritious food that can be part of a balanced diet. There are several healthy ways to incorporate corn into your meals, taking advantage of its health benefits. From fresh consumption to inclusion in creative recipes, corn can be a delicious and nutritious option. Below are some recommendations on how to enjoy corn in a healthy way to improve your overall well-being. Boiled or steamed corn. Cooking corn by boiling or steaming is a healthy option that helps keep its nutrients intact. You can enjoy a cooked corn cob as a side dish or as a healthy snack. Salads. Add cooked corn kernels to your salads to add flavor and texture. Combine them with fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy dressings for a balanced, delicious meal. Soups and stews. Corn can be a tasty and nutritious ingredient in soups and stews. Add corn kernels to your favorite recipes to give them a sweet and crunchy touch. Corn tortillas. Opt for corn tortillas instead of flour tortillas. They are a healthier and gluten-free option. Use them to make tacos, quesadillas, or enchiladas with healthy fillings like vegetables, beans, and grilled chicken. Whole corn flour. Use whole corn flour to make healthier baked goods. You can make cornbread, muffins, or cookies using this flour instead of refined flour. Corn sauce. Prepare a healthy corn sauce by mixing cooked corn kernels with tomato, onion, peppers, and spices. Use it as an accompaniment to lean meats or as a salad dressing. Homemade popcorn. Homemade popcorn is a healthy and delicious option to enjoy as a snack. Use popcorn without additives and avoid adding too much butter or salt. Remember that it's important to consume corn in moderation as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutritious foods. Also, consider your dietary needs and individual dietary restrictions when choosing corn preparations. And there you have it, folks. Corn, with its genetic diversity, nutritional richness, and countless health benefits, proves to be a true culinary and nutritional treasure. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into this wonderful food and inspired you to consciously and creatively incorporate it into your daily meals. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others interested in healthy eating. Until next time, and enjoy corn in all its delicious forms.